PIL. This comes from the Python 2 to Python 3 PIL right here. They just left the name the same for part 3, Python point 3 and up. Obviously, import images, you know, I just put that in there. I could just delete that. And my image equals image open, like opening the file, is a turtle image 1 PNG, which is in here, you know what I'm saying, in this folder right here. In order to send it, you got to put into my images.show. Alright, now you just run the code, and that's the turtle that I have right here. Oh man, well, that's the turtle that I have right now, you know what I'm saying. That turtle right there, I'm gonna do my own, obviously, and then I'm gonna make it on my second video how it comes with its own turtle, but I'm gonna put my own design turtle and use Adobe Photoshop or whatever I'm gonna use, Illustrator, to create my own. And I'm pretty sure my boss man is gonna be surprised with this. Python all the way, C++, Swift UI, you know what it is.